My friends, it's Coach V. Give me 5 minutes to open up and energize your entire body right away in the morning. Let's begin in child's pose. Take the knees wide and press it back into a child's pose, releasing the spine. Take a few deep breaths right here as you sway side to side. Anybody can do this anywhere, anytime. Do it in bed, do it on the floor, do it on the roof. Do it at Moe's Tavern. Just make sure you do it and share it on side to side. Releasing the shoulders and the back. Breathing deep. I just laid my mat down right here by the historical house that I'm showing. And here we go. Inhale forward. Modified plank. Exhale back. Back and forth. Getting some movement in the shoulders. I might have a few groundhogs and moles around me, but we had a conversation before this. So we're all good. 2 more times. And my pants may fall down too, so you don't want to miss that. Inhale forward, exhale back. Now come all the way down. Hands are in the shoulders, cobra, or pressing up into upward facing dog. Try to keep your hip flexors down and pulsing up and down. Lift. Exhale down. Doesn't have to be a huge movement. It can be right here, up and down. We're strengthening and lengthening the spine and the back with the groundhogs, of course, because if you don't use it, you're going to lose it. And the first thing in the morning is the best time to do any of this. This looks weird, doesn't it? Okay, let's bring it back to downward facing dog. Walking the legs, stretch it out, the whole posterior chain. You can always spend more time on these movements as you see fit. You can lock it into your own schedule. It's all yours. Tuck the chin. Okay, pressing back. Now inhale forward to plank position. Exhale, lower down to the mat. And again, cobra or up dog. Lifting up, elbows hugging the ribs. How you doing? How are you? It's fantastic. Take it back to downward facing dog. Shake out the legs, a little blood to the brain. Bring your right foot forward. We have a lunge, and we're going to open up right here. Bring it down, open up. Rotation for life. Goonies never die, neither does rotation. Pull it back. Boom. All right, other side. Step back to down dog, and other foot forward. Rotation. Someone just watched the Goonies the other night. It might be me. Is it me? You betcha. We're in Astoria. That's right. Pull one more time. Pull it back. All right. Now step back. Lower all the way down. This one's going to blow your mind. You're going to roll onto your right side. You're going to bring your left leg across. I call this a reverse scorpion. And we are all of a sudden in this beautiful, beautiful twist. And then back to the center. Whoop. Other side. And right leg across and open. Everyone's going, what? Pause it, rewind it, look at it. I teach this too, and I have to go through it a few times. Let's do it one more time on each side. Full twist. Oh, open it up. Open it up. Movement is medicine, my friends. So is rolling around on the mat with our mole friends. Whew, there it is. I want openness. I want youthfulness. I want to be strong and mobile. Take it back to downward facing dog. Stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. And then bring the right leg forward. Pigeon. Slide that back leg back. We're going to lift up and down. Activating the arms, the shoulders, the back, the spine. And of course, the glutes and the hips. Every part in between. So good. Let's go to the other side. Back, left leg. Pants are a little tight. There we go. I think I ate too much last night. Down and lift. Exhale. Inhale. Drop the shoulders back. Activating the arms. Just think of all the beautiful, amazing things you're going to do today. Be more capable, more durable. And let me know your requests below for videos. What else would you like to see? One more time, and lift. Okay, take it back to downward facing dog, shake it out, and finish in a squat. If you can't come all the way down, take the hands here. or bring it down right like this. Shoulders back and down. Move it back and forth. You can bring knee taps or just hold. You want the tailbone to sink down. Lots of breath. It's a beautiful, glorious day. Have the best day ever, my friends. If this helps, click that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. I appreciate it, my friends. Whew. Movement is medicine. Oh, yes, indeed. Right? Excellent work, my friends. I want to give you a free gift. Click the first link in the comment section below for my absolutely free 30-minute full body yoga masterclass. It's all yours. Click that right now. Share it with everybody. Mm-hmm.